How to know when you get the job on Jobstreet. So if you've applied for a certain job but you're not sure if you've got the job or not, so how do you find that? Well, to find whether or not you've been offered a job on Jobstreet, just launch the Jobstreet app first, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Then from here, what you got to do is you have to simply go to this option that says My Activity. From My Activity, you'll find at the top an option that says Applied. So what you do is you simply go to the Applied section over there. And from the Applied section, you will then be able to find a list of jobs that you've applied for. And if the application went directly to the employer's website, Jobstreet won't show updates there. But if the application was sent here, then you'll be able to see your updates over here and you'll be notified for it most likely. This way you'll be able to know when you get the job on Jobstreet. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you in the next video.